Hey y'all, Liz here, and it is Teamwork Thursday. Now, the book that we're looking at this week, the end of the month, is the E-Myth Revisited. If you have not read that book, highly recommend it. You know, I don't ever recommend books that I don't highly recommend because I love them all. But the E-Myth Revisited, I think, gives many people, not I think, the reviews say that this is true, and I have personal feedback from a lot of people, many people, that says this book is instrumental in getting them to actually get out of the cleaning and get into the leading, to be able to understand the concept and how to actually go about doing it. Now, since today is Teamwork Thursday, I'm going to remind you, you are not an island unto yourself. There are a lot of people out there that would love to help you, and you need to take advantage of that team that you have created. Why did you create a team if you weren't going to use them? And if you weren't going to use them to their fullest potential? So get your team on these standardized systems and processes, figure out who can do which part of the process. Some people will be able to design the process. Some people will be able to film it. Some people will be able to define it just a little bit better or refine it. Figure out what your people can do, and your daily action is get them to do it. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget, E-Myth Revisited if you struggle to make this happen. Bye, y'all.